Hello everyone, welcome to a new unboxing video, and this time we're going to be unboxing the Steren mini Bluetooth TWS speaker. And so yeah, this is the Bluetooth speaker. It's a Steren, everything is in Spanish, so así que está resistible salpicadas, batería declarada hasta 3 horas de uso y manos libres para llamadas. Here's the mid side, and yeah, here's the instructions on the back. Pausen para leer. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this thing now. So yeah, I have to do this one-handed. So let me just try to unbox this. I'm gonna do this one-handed, to be honest. So yeah, here we're getting this box open. So I always. Alright, I accidentally got the box open. Alright, there we go. We're getting this open. Let me just put the camera down for a bit. Alright, here we are getting this thing open, and Alright, we got it open now, so sorry for messing on. Alright, here we got it. Here we go now, so alright, we got it out now. So here's the instruction manual, which I don't read instructions a lot, and this right here, we have your cables. These are your cables here. And last but not least, we have the Bluetooth, the speaker. So yeah, let me just pop it up real quick. All right, and there you all have it. So there's the speaker. Here's the settings, which just has the volume setting and then pause and stop. And here is where you plug in where you charge. There's the USB port, and here's where you can put this in between your pants. And so yeah, it's such a pretty cool speaker, to be honest. All right, let's test this thing out. So to turn it on, you press and hold the play button here. You get the blue light.
Conectado.
And it's already connected. So yeah, it does work. And then unfortunately I can't play any song due to copyright music, so it's gonna get me copyright, so yeah. And to power it off, just tap and hold, same thing. Alright, well, that's that was the unboxing video of the Steren Bluetooth speaker. So anyways, there you all have it, and that's it.